Hi, ma'am. Can you tell me about yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Nanette Lorraine, 44 years old. I live in Binuangan, Misamis Oriental. I have 3 kids, 19 years old, 16 years old, and 11 years old.
Alright, so can you tell me, ma'am, your marital status?
I'm single.
Okay. Can you tell me about your educational background, ma'am?
Only a high school graduate.
Alright, so what is the reason, ma'am, why aren't you able to go to college?
No financial.
Okay, because of financial problem. Do you have work experience abroad, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
From what country, ma'am?
Saudi Arabia, 3 years, and then Hong Kong, 6 months.
Okay, so can you tell me the date of your employment, ma'am, in Saudi Arabia?
Date of employment, 2003.
Uh,
February,
okay, from 2003
until 2003. Only 6 months.
in Saudi Arabia.
No, in Hong Kong. And Saudi Arabia is 3 years.
Okay.
2019 until 2023.
Okay, so can you tell me, ma'am, your duties and responsibilities there in Saudi Arabia?
My responsibility there is take care of the children, newborn.
Okay. Aside from taking care of the newborn baby, ma'am, do you have any duties and responsibilities?
No, only I help my co-workers to clean if I have I don't take care of my that children.
Okay, so in Saudi Arabia, ma'am, is it a finished contract?
Yeah.
Okay.
Finish contract.
And then you are extended to 1 year.
Yes.
Okay.
16.
So after in Saudi Arabia, ma'am, you went to Hong Kong.
Yes.
Okay. So from year, can you tell me the year, ma'am?
2023.
2023 until 2023.
Yeah.
How many
6
months, ma'am?
months. 6 months.
So can you tell me, ma'am, the reason why you did not finish your contract in Hong Kong?
Only family problem.
Okay, because of your family problem. So what is your duties and responsibilities there, ma'am, in Hong Kong?
All around you.
Okay, so house cleaning, ironing, like that. Okay. So how would you describe yourself, ma'am?
I describe myself. I am loyal, honest, and what else?
Okay. Do you have any tattoo in your body?
Yeah, only hands and here.
So what is the meaning of your tattoo, ma'am?
Guardian.
Okay. Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No,
Okay. So why do you want to work abroad, ma'am?
because of financial problem.
So are you scared of dogs and cats?
No,
So how about big dogs, ma'am?
yeah. No.
No,
I have
also.
dog and cat in my house.
Okay, so you love pets.
Yeah.
So since you love pets, it's okay for you to take care of pets when you go to Hong Kong.
Yeah, yeah.
So, can you give me, ma'am, your idea how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
The children.
Yes, ma'am. So, how are you going to take care of them when they're having tantrums?
Like I take care of my children.
So, how do you take care of your children, ma'am, when they are having tantrums?
Love my children, to take care all.
Okay. So, what is your message to your future employer, ma'am?
To my future employer, to hire me, I promise I'm honest and good, and I do my best to take care of you all.
Okay, is that all, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.